So, lesson 3 involves creating, using, and modifying dictionaries, which is one of the data types in Python. We will also be covering user input and while loops. While loops are quite often used with user input because you can allow the user to enter Q for quit or S for stop, something to end the loop. So we'll be learning more about that. And then we'll also be learning how to create our own functions in Python and how to store them so that we can import functions into different programs. So there are 3 chapters that we are covering this week. Chapters 6 and 7 are shorter. The chapter on functions is a little bit lengthier because Python does some unusual things with functions that are actually kind of cool. So the exercises that you need to complete are in the lecture demo. They are the hands-on sections. Each one of the lecture demos has the lecture portion recorded in a separate video, which you can access at the top. And then the hands-on sections each have their own videos. So if you're not sure of what you need to do, you don't understand the instructions, whatever, you can watch the specific hands-on video. Okay? And they're all set up like this. At the very bottom is a summary of the files that you need to turn in and how many points each one is worth. And again, we are going to be uploading to GitHub. So you will complete chapter 6, 7, and 8 this week. And then you will go into your lab assignment Dropbox and give me a link to your GitHub repo. And you can give me individual links to each chapter, or if you just give me a link to your 228, CIT228 repo, that would also work. Then we do have a little course survey. I think there's just a couple questions in here for you to answer. Basically about how the course is going for you. If there's anything that I can do to make things easier for you, please let me know because the results are anonymous and I will be looking at them and I can make some adjustments in the course if I need to. Additional resources, I did include Python built-in functions. Now that we're going to be creating our own, I thought you may be curious to see a list of the built-in functions. We have already used quite a few because sorted was a built-in function. So was the print that we've been using all along. You'll learn how to use input, which is also a built-in function. So you will continue to use Python's function in addition to learning how to create your own. If you run into any problems or if you have questions, please let me know. If it is a programming problem, I am going to need to see your code. So if you zip your Python file, you should be able to email that code to me so that I can download it, open it up, and run it. And then I will be better able to help you. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.